Hey, what's up guys? Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply and welcome to this week's video. Now, since we are in the holiday season, I am going to attempt to create a small bonsai Christmas tree. And so I'm going to use this Alberta Spruce here, which is a dwarf Alberta Spruce. And as you can see, naturally, it already mimics a little bit the style of a Christmas tree. I had to make sure that I chose a tree that had naturally smaller needles because, as you guys know, bonsai is an art form and the idea behind it is to recreate a miniature image of a large and old tree. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do here today. I'm going to choose this little tree here that has small needles already, and I'm going to attempt to turn this into a miniature bonsai Christmas tree. So let's get right to it. Alright, so the first step is to put some gloves on, and then I'm going to take this tree out of the pot because I want to see where the root spread begins, which kind of will help me then with the scale of the tree, what the end height of the tree will look like. Now, I picked this tree up at my local Home Depot. As you can see, it's very healthy, it has a lot of roots. And now the cool thing is that these Alberta spruces are readily available, so you can very easily find these. And if you don't have this exact species at your local Home Depot, you can just pick something that looks similar, has small needles, and somehow resembles the look of a Christmas tree. And so as you can see, I'm just raking up the top here. I'm trying to not disturb too much of the root ball here. I just want to expose a little bit of that root spread right here. Alright, so I already found the bottom of the tree, and it was just important to know if the tree starts here, like the root spread, or if the root spread starts down here. So that's kind of important to work towards the beginning of the tree, because then that will help you with the overall scale of the tree. Now also keep in mind, since I'm doing it late in the year, I just removed some of the outer roots here. I didn't really disturb too much of the root ball. You want to be on the safe side and not disturb the center, the core of the root ball. This time of the year in the off-potting season, this is something that you can then go ahead and fix in the coming spring. Okay, so now that we have that, I can now go ahead and style this tree. So let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, this is the end product, and you may notice that I did not use traditional bonsai styling methods because I was trying to keep that essence of this Christmas tree intact here. So I went ahead and first I exposed the base of the tree so that I know where the tree starts and where it stops. It helps me with the overall scale. And then I went ahead and just cleaned up on the inside a little bit, wired all the branches, and then just pointed them into a Christmas tree-like direction. And so this is the front of the tree, and as you can see, I kept the bottom branches in place. I kept it very bushy because once again, I want to resemble that Christmas tree-like idea. So now, let's get to decorating. And now that the tree is decorated, it really looks like a miniature Christmas tree, and I think it came out really great. And I have to give props to my wife because she's actually the one that decorated this tree. So she got the ornaments and the Christmas skirt, like the Christmas tree skirt, from the Dollar Tree, and then the fairy lights came from Amazon. So yeah, I think this came out great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed already. Happy holidays, and I'll catch you guys next time. And before I go, stick around until the end of this video. There's a little surprise waiting for you.